I got a new dirt bike, if you haven't seen the video, and we're going to be doing some enduro. Last night, there was a gigantic storm, and like a whole bunch of...
took out a bunch of trees.
So we're going to go do some like enduro type stuff. We're going to see if anything happened up there. Anything happened on the trail up there. You know, go across there. And yeah. Trees down. Looks like a couple of them were broken and not in our way, really. Another tree. You want to see if we can go over this one? No? Yeah, we'll go around. Another tree. If we can get like...
We can kick it down. I'll do it right now.
No, we can ride right to that thinner part and just ride over. Or actually that thick part. Or no, the thin part will be easiest. Like kind of, like right down the middle. You got this. Give it up for Robbie. Comment, let's go Robbie. Oh, he's going around. I just went over it.
No.
I just went over it. That
would have been easier going over.
Yeah, definitely.
The grass was like up here on me, so
yeah.
I kind of stumped in trying to get it down.
It's up here. Those whoops are fun. that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one.